Alright, I'll pass the phone back.
Wala, hindi na kayo make na nag-select ka. Did you see the chicken there?
Yeah, very nice.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Kulang pang magsasabi. Galing siya dyan si Dani sa ano, sa MOA. Galing siya sa MOA.
Huh?
Namasyal sila doon kahapon, kasama niya si Don. Ay, saging pa kayo pa. Baka may auntie mo abi ka, nagpabelo si auntie mo abi. Ano, outside sila sa electricity pipe. Ano na sila dito? You want to go there?
Go where?
Let's go walk.
Yeah, we can if you want. It's okay.
It's okay. It's just Cobra.
Yeah, just a cobra.
Oh, tour us. It's your land. No, we play there. Look at you then. Kasi wala bang rice field sa Kwan, US?
Of course there's rice fields. Well, not rice fields.
Pero hindi siya pwedeng ganito.
Wheat. It's wheat.
Ay, wheat. Kaya
Like
pala
to make
daming
bread.
tinapay doon.
Yeah.
Kaya pala murang tinapay doon.
And like pasta.
Wow.
Can we go to that cow? Whose cow is that?
I don't know. Let's get it. Can we get the cow? Paltugan na to.
Oh yeah.
Cute you.
Oh man.
We go here. That's our tambayan. You know what is tambayan?
Yeah, chill spot.
We go picnic there together with the kids when I'm here. Then it's like we get some
It was a pretty short drive here.
Yeah.
In my head I was expecting it to be longer.
I love here because there's no chismosa here. You know what is chismosa?
Yeah, I know what that chismosa is.
The mockers, the
marites.
gossipers. There's no chismosa here. On our Bueno, there's
Too
a
many?
lot. Our neighborhoods are
Oh man, that's sad.
mockers. Here, no. That's why I love it.
That's very sad. I don't like stuff like that.
But I don't. But I don't. Fun. I don't care with them.
Yeah, you
Their business. I
just
just forgive them for what they're saying.
yeah, just stay to yourself.
Yeah.
It's way better.
God. See?
Yeah.
So it's
Oh
there.
yeah, this is nice. This is very nice.
When I'm here, I'm with the 3 kids. We stay here. They play here. Then the signal here is so strong.
Really?
Yeah.
Phone signal?
Yeah. On Philippine ano lang, SIM, not ano, American SIM or
Check.
other SIM.
Ano bang SIM niya?
Yeah, 3G.
Oh, 3G. Sometimes 5G. Because
4G
ano bang
ka.
tawag doon? There's a tower over there. That's why
Tower na
ano,
signal.
the signal here
Here you
is
go, man. This is for you and your baby.
Uy,
wow.
thank you, thank you.
And this is for being my tour guide.
Wow, thank you. Don't tell it to your mom. She will.
Yeah, don't tell anyone.
Oh,
But
don't tell to.
I don't really want to. I don't want to give money to the adults because that's my mom's job. But I want to give money to you guys.
No, don't tell to your
My
mama.
cousins.
Danielle, don't tell to your mama because she,
No, it's okay. I don't.
she will said that ano, pinipirahan ka namin. But
No,
that's
it's
not
okay.
we ano yung.
I'm just trying to help
We
you
just
guys
want
out.
to be hospitality on you.
Yeah, I know. I understand.
Yeah, okay.
I appreciate that. Thank you. But
Because it's been very long time since we
20,
ano.
26 yan.
yeah, 26. I'm sorry.
we
I don't
just-
know. I can't speak Tagalog. It's very hard for me.
It's very hard to speak in English.
I mix my Tagalog and Ilocano,
Ah,
so it's
And
not.
we get some ano
nagigits mo
dito.
ba rin?
Huh?
Nagigits mo ba rin? Naintindihan mo?
Yeah, I can understand it, but I can't speak it because I'll mix it up.
Ah,
But that's very beautiful, man.
Yeah, that's corn. We
The
will.
mountains, not the corn.
Marlon, wag yan.
That's where we're going.
Yeah, yung malaki?
Yeah,
Oo, yan.
I want to take.
Cloudy lang kasi kaya hindi siya malinaw. Pero pag hindi cloudy, ano siya,
Doon sa ano?
I'm sorry, man. I don't know you,
Si Jan,
but you were a little baby.
yeah.
Wala.
He's 16 years old na.
16. Wow, man.
Mm.
You want gum?
I'm more closer than him than to our cousins there because they are not like me na explorer. Ako kasi
Okay.
gala sila. Doon lang, stay lang sa bahay. Ito.
Picture.
Tara, picture tayo!
Yeah.
Come
You
on.
want to open this?
What is that?
It's just gum.
Gum? Okay, give me.
That's the only thing I have in here.
Here, sa kanila, basta meron kang pangkahoy, ganon yung mga may gulay ka, mabubuhay ka na. Hindi ka tulad dun sa atin, para kasing ano doon, parang city.
Concrete. It's concrete.
Yeah.
Wait, hold up.
Wait lang yung legs ko. Magaga si pastor.
Wala namang legs.
Nagpaalam ka sa bakat mo. Oh, baka mapagalitan ako eh.
Wait, take a picture of my phone too.
Come on. Ay,
Fed.
on my phone too.
What did I call you, man? Fed? I just call you Fed? No thought?
Oy, Nate.
Wait lang.
Thank you.
You want? You want bubble gum? Sige mga siya dyan.
Where's your daughter? Your daughter.
Ano yun?
Your baby
Ay, daughter. Doon sa ano?
with your wife.
With you in her wife's house.
Wife's house.
Mm.
They told me your wife was in Taiwan.
Hmm.
Is she back home now? Fuck off.
Dun ka. Come on. Dyan.
Oh, you want me to stand up?
Closer. Hindi, okay lang.
No, it's
Ay,
good.
tumayo kasi wala tang malaki.
Oh, I'll be right here. Look.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. One more. Okay. O next. 3:54 pa lang eh. Okay, meron pa tayong 6 minutes bago mag-4.
Yeah, I like it here.
Good here, no?
Yeah.
No noise, no
relaxing.
gossipers. That's why I like here. Then sometimes, if they have no gas anymore, pangluto, nagkakahoy kami dito.
Mhm.
Kahit
Okay.
hindi sa amin, pwedeng magkahoy. Hindi katulad dun sa sa atin, kailangan may
Sa
electric.
bukto, punta na kayo doon. Kila Sheila.
No, that's Oliver's wife.
You are close to her. To that.
Never met him.
Me, I'm not.
I've never met him. I don't.
You want.
It's okay. It doesn't
It's
matter.
okay. Just tell to your mama.
I wanted to meet you guys, my cousins that I
Okay.
grew up with.
Yeah.
You know, like the ones that I remember.
Oo nga naman.
That's what I want. That's who I wanted to come and see. Not the new people. They can come and like meet me if they want. I don't really care. But
Yeah.
I told your dad I wanted to see you.
That's why I told him.
Yeah, I wanted to see you guys. You guys are like the main. To me, you guys are like the main family.
Yeah. If it's just easy to go to America, I will go there. But
It's not.
too hard.
Too hard.
Because there's a lot of requirements, no?
Yeah.
Sino?
Unless you want a husband, and I'll
Yeah.
I'll
No, I don't.
I'll get one of my friends.
Mag-visit lang ako dun. Ayoko mag-asawa ng ano.
Okay.
Kasi
Yung
ayoko
ano, mga-
I don't like. No,
Ano?
I love my simple life,
Mga Black
my
American.
Yeah,
ordinary life.
single life.
Kasi money can't buy happiness, sabi nga nila.
No, it
Yeah,
doesn't.
di ba?
Yeah.
Kasi kahit marami ka namang pera, kung wala ka namang peace, bali wala na yun.
Yeah.
Di ba? I love my simple life. Because I love yun, explore. Yun. Meron pa tayong 2 hours bago mag-6. Uwi muna tayo sa Bueno.
Oo.
Rest ka muna.
I was watching a movie until
Yeah.
until you called me.
Tapos 6, yun na. Kasi mainit pa talaga doon.
Di, 8 dapat naman ganun.
Yeah, it's
8,
very nice
8
here.
p.m.
7, ganyan.
7, o sige.
7.
Para uwi muna siya. You will go home
Yeah,
first.
no rush, no rush.
Tapos balik na lang siya.
Okay, and
Para
then we
ako-
all go.
Kasi may mga household duties din ako. Kaya nga iniwan na kita kanina kasi naglinis ako ng bahay,
It's okay.
naghugas.
Yeah, I don't.
Yeah, kasi alam mo naman si mama ko, like your mommy, talk a
Hindi ko
lot.
ano.
If ano, don't do twist, gano'n.
Hindi kung hindi ulan mo yan.
Huwag sana umulan. Kaya nga dapat 6 p.m. na lang o kaya 7. Kasi ang ganda talaga doon kasi yung
Ah,
night,
okay, okay.
parang Las Vegas. Di ba? Sa Las Vegas ang ganda. Pero doon, nature.
I've never been to Vegas.
Ay, wow.
It's beautiful.
Pero nakikita ko ang Las Vegas.
I like
okay.
nature. I don't like cities.
Ah, okay. Pares tayo. I love more nature kasi may
Yeah.
peace.
I never really visit cities. I go to like see mountains. In America, I've seen like the biggest mountains.
Pati Los Angeles, ganun. Kasi yun ang...
I don't like cities. I
don't like
don't have
cities?
plans on seeing the cities. I go to farms. Like
Wow.
yeah, it's like this, but like it has snow on the mountains.
You love nature din pala.
Yeah,
Me too. I love nature.
I like to go camping, stuff like that.
Hiking.
Hiking,
Dito,
swimming in springs.
may alam akong pag-hikingan dito pero hindi ka papayagan ni mami mo. Kasi one day yun ang hiking nun. Ako pwede.
Ay, isang araw.
Oo, dun sa ano, alam mo yung sa tag na dito? Duwag, San Clemente. Tapos may falls doon.
Let's go.
No, magagalit si mami mo, pagalitan pa ako.
Oh, isang
Kasi
I
isang
do what
araw
I
yun.
want.
Isang araw. Ako
Lalakad.
mapapagalitan. Maraming
Lalakad ka din.
maraming ano magagalit sa akin, si mama mo. Ay si mami mo, si mama mo.
What if I say I want to do it and then I want to bring you guys?
Wag na
They're
lang.
gonna get mad at me.
Gusto mo, dun sa amin, no?
Oh, punta na lang tayo sa kanila. Pero doon sa sinasabi ko, maganda
Meron
kasi
doon,
doon.
may ano doon, ilog din sa amin. Daming
Ay, oo pala, may ilog din sa kanila. Ano ba tawag?
Okay.
Brook. Brook ba tawag doon sa English ng ilog? O brook.
Spring.
Kasi, ay spring, oh, ganun. May river din naman doon, pero delikado na kasi yung, hindi na malinis yung river dito. Hindi katulad nung bata tayo.
Yeah,
Diba noon may river dito?
I remember, and we would swim. I remember all of that stuff.
Pero hindi na kasi may babalik ang dati.
No, you gotta move forward.
Yeah.
That's life, guys.
Ngayon lang kaya kami unite.
Yeah?
Kasi hindi kami nagkapansin ng magpipilisan. Kasi
Oh, that's
there's
sad.
a